Hey guys, we're at SEGi University.
We are here for the mobile Android workshop.
Layout is basically how you want to define your UI, how you want to arrange your views, and strings are strings.
Today's experience was really good to have the chance to meet with the students, to face life scenarios, and for being a part of Forest Interactive and for being Forest Interactive as a big player in the IT market in Malaysia. We have this kind of responsibility to other communities for IT to give more development to the industry and the environment.
Today was an amazing experience, and we wanted to cover so much, but with the limited time and providing support for all the students, we couldn't cover everything, but I hope that they got a meaningful experience out of it, and I would also like to thank Forest for giving us the opportunity to give the students and share some of our knowledge with the students.
I improved my Java skills and also learned something new on how to develop apps and create the design, the UI, and everything else.
I learned a lot of things, especially that today I made my first application in Android programming, and it was so amazing.